Today we're making a viral style folded stuffed bread that's golden, pillowy, and it's perfect for dinner, lunch boxes, or if you just want to impress your guests with something unique. To start, add 530 grams of flour in a large mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 1.5 teaspoons of instant yeast, and half teaspoon of salt. Gradually mix in 300 grams of warm milk and around 100 grams of water, stirring until a soft dough forms. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and knead again until fully absorbed. Cover the dough and set it aside in a warm place. Let it rise until it springs back slowly when gently pressed. That's how you know it's ready. Once the dough has risen, divide it into 14 even-sized balls. Roll each ball out into a flat circle, roughly the size of a taco. Lightly brush the surface with oil, then gently fold the dough in half. Don't press it down. Let the folded dough rise again while you prepare the egg wash and toppings. For the glaze, mix 1 egg yolk with 1 teaspoon of milk and a pinch of food coloring. Now slice 1 tomato and 1 capsicum for garnish. Brush the tops of your folded breads with the egg wash and add a few slices of tomato and capsicum. Bake until golden brown and beautifully puffed up. While your breads bake, let's make the creamy chicken filling. Start by sauteing 3 minced garlic cloves and 2 chopped onions until soft. Add 1 grated carrot and some finely shredded cabbage, then cook everything together. Stir in 2 tablespoons of flour and 1 teaspoon of oil to form a light roux. Add 1 shredded cooked chicken breast, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Finally mix in some cheese and stir until melted and combine into a creamy savory filling. Once the breads are baked, brush the tops with a little oil for that bakery style shine. Carefully open up each folded bread and generously stuff it with the chicken filling. And there you have it. It's the perfect fluffy bread recipe for lunch, dinner, or even entertaining. With its golden crust, melty cheese, and savory spiced chicken, this stuffed bread is sure to make a family favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy stuffed bread recipes and delicious homemade meals.